In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer GCash to Cebuana Lhuillier. Before we begin, make sure your GCash app is updated, your internet connection is stable, and you have enough balance to cover the amount you want to send plus any potential fees. Having the recipient's correct account name and account number ready will also save time and help prevent mistakes. Start by opening the GCash app on your mobile device. If you're asked to log in, do so securely and avoid using public Wi-Fi for transactions. Once you're on the home screen, look for the transfer option. It's usually easy to spot among the main services. Tap Transfer to continue. Next, choose the local option. This section lists banks and official partners within the Philippines that you can send money to. Selecting local ensures you're routing the transfer through the proper domestic network. In the search bar or list provided, enter Cebuana and look for Cebuana Lhuillier. Make sure you're selecting the correct partner to avoid misdirecting your funds, then tap it to open the transfer form. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Check for any minimum or maximum limits that might apply and confirm that your GCash balance covers the entire transaction. It's a good habit to pause here for a second and verify that the amount is exactly what you intend to send. After the amount, fill in the account name and the account number. Type the recipient's account name exactly as it appears on their bank records or valid ID, using the correct spelling and sequence. For the account number, enter every digit carefully, with no extra spaces or characters. If the recipient provided formatting, follow it only if the field allows. Otherwise, input the plain number. A quick double check of both name and number can prevent delays, rejections, or funds going to the wrong account. Once everything looks correct, tap Send Money. Keep the app open while it processes your transfer. Depending on network conditions, this may take a moment. It's normal for the app to display a confirmation screen and a reference number after the transaction is submitted. Treat that reference number as sensitive information and keep it for your own records. If you ever need to review what you sent, you can find the details in your GCash transaction history. That's it. By opening GCash, tapping Transfer, choosing Local, selecting Cebuana Lhuillier, entering the amount, the account name, and the account number, then tapping Send Money, you can complete a transfer smoothly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and take care when entering details to ensure your money gets to the right place.